Oh, yeah.
More.
Oh, set. Oh, got it. Whenever you're ready, Bennett. Yeah, set it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's a big fish.
Oh, gosh, look at that. Oh, that's a heavy fish, isn't it?
Yeah. He's not moving in. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh.
Taking some line. Hand it to me.
Oh, look at
that.
Oh, look at it go.
My gosh, man. Oh, yeah. Put your back into it. Look at that rod tip. Man.
Be one of those Florida fish.
Oh, look at that.
Big largemouth.
Yeah. This thing eats those.
Uh-oh. He's coming to us.
Uh-oh.
He probably wants to eat us.
Oh, look at that. Whoa!
Oh, boy. He just wanted to see what... Did you see that? He just came to see what we were.
That's exactly what it came to
He came
do.
to see the source of the pulling.
The source of his new little problem.
We're going to make eye contact here in a second. Oh. Oh.
Work it.
Ooh, his tail was a long way away from the other end. Oh, golly.
Oh, here it comes. That's all right. The leader's right there. Oh, yeah, there you go. Whoa!
Oh, I was scared he was going to jump in the boat.
Yeah!
He was facing us, you know.
Oh! Look at that rod.
Burn my thumbs. It's just an athletic fish.
Hold it right there. I'm going to hit you.
Just turning over my dinner. Ooh, goodness! Oh,
look at that!
Ow, it's burning my hand.
Yeah, don't use your thumb.
He's hung in this tree. Oh, no, he isn't. He's doing whatever he wants to do. But he's stuck in the tree.
Bad mamma jammer.
He's stuck in that tree. Oh, here he goes.
Not anymore.
It broke the limb off. You see that?
Yep. Oh! Yeah!
This is that Walmart line. It's $1.98. You know it's strong.
Hey. Hey, Walmart's not sponsoring us. Don't even mention it.
Let me get a Walmart, get a plug. You heard it break? Oh!
Yeah!
Break everything we own.
It's hung up part. It's way out there. Just keep it on where it's at. There he is. Oh, good fish. Ah, the white gar. Yeah. Oh, that's a pig.
Oh, hi.
Oh, we're about to go crazy. How you doing, buddy?
I'm trying to hold him off you if he does. I think he's ready to be unhooked.
I think so.
He just made eye contact with. There she goes.
Sweet.
Yeah, you gotta love this.